Hello everyone, it's 17th October. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page, we have Trump and MEA at odds over Russian oil imports. Very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have SC won't lift at C stay on 42% OBC quota in Telangana. Civil polls, again very important for society perspective. Moving forward, we have this whole page dedicated to this one news, candlelight before codification, again very important news. Then we have the editorial page. The editorial page is always important for examination. The first editorial says a reading of a revisionism in constitutional history, again very important for polity and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have ensure safeguards for Indians carbon market, very important again for economy perspective. Moving forward, we have is landlockedness the reason for Bihar's underdevelopment, very important for states perspective. Moving forward, we have the women who fought their way into the Afghan embassy, again very important for international relations as well as society perspective. Moving forward, we have restoring fiscal space for the states. Again, this whole page is dedicated to this one news, very important for economy perspective. Then moving forward, we have next formal round of India-EU FTA talks not set, says Agrawal, again very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Infosys Q2 net rises 13.2% to 7,364 crore, adds to 8,203 staff. Again, very important news for economic perspective. Moving forward, we have this world page where we have ceasefire halts deadly fighting on Afghan-Pakistan border. Then we have India fully committed to Afghan sovereignty, says Jaiswal. Then we have Canada defense. Then we have China defense buying Russian oil, slams US for unilateral bullying. Then we have Trump plans to meet Putin in Budapest after great progress in call date to be set. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.